Hello everyone, Methi Dal, that one dish with protein and vegetable for the busy weeknight. Clean and soak 1 cup of Toor Dal in enough amount of water for hour to hour and a half. This helps the dal cook faster. We are going to pressure cook the dal with 3/4 cup of tomato, about 4 green chilies. You can adjust the spice based on your heat tolerance level. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add some more water for pressure cooking. I just eyeball the amount of water, but for measurements, about this much. Pressure cook until the dal is soft and mushy. Let the pressure drop naturally. After that, mash the dal lightly. If you have kids at home, make sure not to mash the chili peppers as they make the dal spicy. Okay, so now it's tadka time. We are going to use 3/4 teaspoon of ghee. Feel free to use oil if that is what you prefer. Once the oil is hot enough, add about 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 3/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. We are going to let it splutter. Cover with a lid so that the kitchen does not become a mess. We like our methi dal a bit garlicky, so I'm adding 2.5 tablespoons of garlic. But if you don't like it, use less. Also add 10 curry leaves and 2 red chilies broken into 2 pieces. Give it a good stir. We are going to cook until the garlic's raw smell goes away. Here I'm using about 3 cups of methi leaves. The methi leaves are just plucked from the stem. I have not chopped it into pieces because I really don't have the patience to do it on a weeknight. Methi leaves usually have a lot of sand, so make sure that you wash this well. We are going to now cover it and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the leaves soften. Go ahead, add the mashed dal with enough amount of water. The amount of water really depends on the consistency that you like and based on what you're going to have it with. For rice, you might need a thinner consistency. For rotis, it may be a little bit of thicker consistency. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste and chili powder. I'm just using half teaspoon, but you can use more or less depending on your heat tolerance level. Once the dal comes to a boil, switch off the flame. Our dal is now ready. Serve it piping hot with some steamed rice or hot roti. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.